guys, welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and as you can see I'm back at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market this week and I have a budget of $2,500 and we're gonna see what we can get in the market. Let's go shopping. Richard, how are you?
I'm not too bad, man.
Can you talk to me about the market and the prices this week?
Well, this week was a good week for people to come shop, you know, cause a few little things there like orange there, pine price are vegetable, no salad there, but outside of that, everything depends on a reasonable price. Aki, anybody out there who have aki can carry come, then we get money for it. Right now, any amount of aki, you know, come with it. But otherwise, on that market nice now. So people don't come shop and everything cool and calm and nice. No problem now make. So everything all right.
You know about the recent water lockout?
Yes.
Would that have any impact?
Maybe in a sense, you know, because the restaurant people them today's Thursday and the restaurant people them would have out and about to get them goods. But one and few of them must be based on the fact say uncertainty say them would have say they not come back today so them not buy no goods. But maybe tomorrow you will see them based on the fact say water come back now. But impact on everybody, even the farmer man, even Igla, because some Igla still not there.
Well, that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.